Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a review on this product from bornprettystore. So this has been sent to me for review and I do have a 10% off code down below if you want to buy anything on the website. So as you can see, this is the gel polish remover wraps. There is 100 pieces in here. So it comes in this large box and on the back it does give you instructions on how to use it if you're not sure. So once you open it up, this is what you get inside. So you have your piece of lint and you've got your foil. So obviously to apply this you would soak this bit in your acetone and then you would wrap it around your finger or your toe and leave it to soak through and dissolve the gel polish. So I'm actually just about to take off the gel that is on my toes, so I'm going to try these out and see how we get on. So that stayed on really well, and as you can see the gel polish has started to come off now. So a very handy tool to have, especially if you do a lot of gel polish. The foil is of decent quality, it's quite thick, it's not thin and you don't have to worry about it tearing as you're applying it. And of course it's always handy just to have these ready to go instead of having to cut up your own. So yeah, really good product, it's nice to have. I'll leave a link down below to all the relevant information you need for this product and the website. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.